So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Monopoly Bingo here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks, the app is opened up, go to the bottom left-hand side and press on the games icon, and then press on get started. It'll then bring it to the game screen right here, where if I were to go ahead and actually go to where it says sort most popular, we're gonna go ahead and change this to A to Z. And since we're looking for Monopoly Bingo, I'm going to scroll down to where it says M, just like this. So there's a bunch of different options right here. We're going to keep scrolling down. We're at the B's right now. We're at C's. We're going to keep going. We're at E's, etc. We are looking for M because obviously we're looking for Monopoly Bingo. So once we're on the M's right here, we're just going to keep scrolling down. As we're right here, and yeah, earn up to 48,465 Swagbucks by playing Monopoly Bingo. Now, if I were to go ahead and press this right here, it'll then bring it to this screen where if you were to go ahead and press on get now, you can then download the app. But once you guys have the app downloaded, if you were to scroll down to the goals here, just by progressing through the game, you can earn Swagbucks, and by accumulating enough Swagbucks, you can then cash that in for gift cards, money, etc. So for example, once you install the game, if you complete the Washington location, that'll give you 15 Swagbucks. If you were to go down and just basically complete a bunch of different locations, you can get a ton of Swagbucks that way. If you were to go ahead and buy some stuff, you get Swagbucks as well. And basically, the further you play, the more Swagbucks you can earn and ultimately make more money in the process. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to earn real money by playing Monopoly Bingo on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.